Good morning. So in a mug, a bowl mug that I have here, I put one egg white, and then I sprinkled a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I got some mixed greens with some spinach in it, and I mixed that together, popped that in the microwave for 30 seconds, and cut some little teeny tomatoes, the little grape tomatoes, and I just added the tomatoes and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and there's my simple breakfast with my iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha. Delicious, quick and easy breakfast. And then later on I just had a snack, which was an orange. So in the morning I had prepped some shredded chicken by using the crock pot, and then once my chicken was finished I got some cauliflower rice, made that with some corn. The corn had some chili powder on it, and there's a shredded chicken with some lime juice on it. And I also added a half tablespoon sour cream, light sour cream, and then just a quarter of avocado, and I mixed that all together. It was so good. And then for snacks, I had carrots. For dinner, the family had pizza, and I wanted to not have pizza, so I made some tuna with some avocado that was left over from earlier, and I just put some salt, pepper, and then I added some peppers and then a little side salad. Pretty simple, but it was better than that pizza. But then I realized I had some points left over, so I enjoyed 1, 2, maybe 3 of these cookies from Trader Joe's. But yeah, that's what I ate today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.